Hey everyone, welcome to Soil Goddess. In today's video, we are going to see how to reuse this Amazon bubble wrap covers or any other courier covers into a beautiful signboard. So today I'm using this Amazon cover. We always get these covers when we order something online, and these are already sturdy and we don't have heart to throw this away. So I have come with an idea to make a beautiful signboard for this Halloween. I'm making a pumpkin patch signboard. You can make any signboard which you like, and we don't need to paint anything here, so it's absolutely easy. I'm using colorful tapes to give four sides to give a frame kind of feel, and also cutting these fall leaves and pumpkins from the newspaper cuttings. I know you will get all these stuffs in your mailbox when the Halloween season reaches, and so don't waste these newspapers. You can just take and cut out these leaves. I'm also showing you the technique of cutting the leaves. I'm not cutting it accurately, I'm just cutting the outline of these leaves, so it gives a good feel as well as it's easy to cut. And also I'm not wasting the pumpkin pictures which comes in the newspaper with the price on letters or numerals on it. I'm just cutting those things away and taking the remaining part of the pumpkin pictures so that we can give a dense feel to the pumpkin patch. So here is our fall leaves. It comes and sit on the top of the frame and also on the bottom of the frame. You can cut any designs you like, not only for the pumpkin patch. You can cut any designs, cars and dolls, toys, whatever you like from any magazines or any newspaper cuttings, and you can use it according to the festive, according to the season, and according to your interests. So here is the leaves ready on both the sides of the frame, and our pumpkin goes and sits on the leaves. Now these pumpkins have a cutting on the bottom part of it where the pumpkin is not fully cut, so I'm just hiding these inside the leaves so that it gives a look, feel like the pumpkins are inside the bushes kind of thing. So I'm using the dollar store white glue for this and spreading generously some glue so that the pumpkin sits on it. As I showed in the previous clippings, I have cut all the pumpkins which I got from the from the newspapers, and whichever I got from the mailbox. So I have just put all the pumpkins randomly here. So the thing is, we should not use the trick is we should not paste the pumpkins in a like it's on the store. We have to paste it like what to say, you have to uh, keep the pumpkins like one on this side, one on facing the right, one facing the left, so that it looks natural. And this is also an activity where you can sit and do with your kids, as I did. So you should have seen my kids helping with me. And I'm writing the letters here, pumpkin patch. So I usually write normal font and then bold it. I have used acrylic markers here so that it gives a dark and dense finishing. You can also use the dollar store permanent markers here, but it will not give this dark feel. It will be a little, the letters will be little light, and usually the pumpkins all grows in the vein. So I have given those kind of feel in the letters. You just give some spiral kind of thing and let it go with that. So it's really easy, but the font looks absolutely gorgeous and absolutely apt for the season. So this is our pumpkin patch signboard, and also you can just hang it in the door, in your front door or your porch door or your patio, wherever you can. I'm just putting some inserting this yarn. Because it's Halloween, I'm using orange color yarn. You can even use jute thread. It's absolutely up to your choice, and you can just hang it in the nail or push pin against your wall, and it looks absolutely gorgeous, and people will not believe that you made this. It's already looks like store bought. So if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to Soil Goddess if you have not yet subscribed. And thanks for watching.